Hello and welcome one and all. Today we will cover how to schedule Python scripts with Windows Task Scheduler. We will cover different options that are available and what setting works for each option. For example, running a schedule when user is logged on or running a schedule when user is logged on or not. We will also cover how to hide the console window that appears when you run a script on a schedule. I have a Python script that reads data from a database, filter sales record from amount greater than 20,000, and for a single territory. We are left with few records in the data frame, and we will send this data frame as an HTML table via email to our users. This will serve as a daily alert to inform users of large transactions. Finally, we have a send mail method that actually sends the email message. I have copied the script over from the Jupyter Notebook into PyCharm and made sure the script is runnable. I'm writing the data frame as an Excel file to the base folder of the project for testing purpose. Script is available in GitHub repo. I'll execute the file to check if the script runs as expected. I'll give this a few seconds to complete and check whether it ran successfully or not. And if I open the base directory, I should see an Excel file with current timestamp. This means our script runs fine. I'll go ahead and remove the file. To schedule this script, we will need Python location, which we can obtain from the command prompt. I'll go ahead and open the command prompt window, and to locate Python, I can execute where command. So I can say where Python, and this will list out the possible locations where Python is installed. I can verify the Python location by opening up a Windows Explorer, pasting the directory location. I'll go ahead and remove the file name, scroll down in this location to locate the Python executable. The Python exe file is present, so this is a valid Python install location. Second, we need the location of Python script. I have this directory already open. It is the base directory of my project. Now I'll go ahead and search for Task Scheduler app in the Windows search bar. Once the app is open, we can head to Actions pane and click the Create Task option. This will bring up the New Task dialog box. We can provide it a name, for example, Daily Central Alerts, since our data is filtered for Central Territory. Here we will cover the run only when the user is logged on scenario. Let's head to Actions tab and click on New. This will bring up the Action dialog box. Under Program/Script, we will provide the Python exe location. I'll go back and copy the script location, and we will supply this to add arguments. File location must be in double quotes, and I will add the file name. My file is called app.py. I will leave the action to start a program and click on OK. Our action is set up. Next, we will set up the trigger, so I'll click on the Trigger tab and define a new trigger. Let's say we want to execute it daily, and I want to execute it within a couple of minutes, so I'll change the time to 6:15 p.m. and I'll click twice to set up the trigger. Our schedule will run once this condition meets, but we can test our schedule to make sure it runs. So I'll select this schedule and click on the Run button under the Action pane. But before that, I'll bring up my base directory of the project so we can see the file that's being generated here. I'll click on Run and it will launch a console window. Once the script finishes, the console window disappears and we see the test file with the current timestamp in the base directory of the project. I will open Outlook and go ahead and refresh my inbox. We see the formatted table as the body of the email. So our email notification is also coming through. One caveat of the current setup that every time we execute the schedule, it launches a console window. It may be fine for a testing environment, but if you have multiple schedules, this becomes a nuance. Every time your schedule runs, you'll see multiple console windows open. One solution I came across for this issue is to change the Python executable. So if we go to Actions under our schedule, and we can change the Python executable to Python W. With this change in place, I'll go ahead and run the schedule again. As we can see that there's no console window, and we can check our directory, make sure the new file is generated. We can also check the email notification. So everything runs as expected, but the console window doesn't appear on the schedule execution. So far so good. Let's check out the second option where the user is logged on or not. You don't want your schedules to fail if you're not logged on a server or on a machine. We will check the option of do not store password and run this schedule with the highest privileges so it has access to the local resources. For this option, we'll have to modify our action. We still need our Python executable location. In start, I will provide the folder location where the file is located, this time without quotes. File location should end with the backslash. And in the add arguments, we will provide our file name. I'll go ahead and click on OK to save these changes. And I will execute the schedule with updated options. Once again, I'll check the base directory to see if the file is updated with the current timestamp. And we see the file is updated. And same thing, if I refresh my inbox, I should see a new email notification. So this is how we schedule our Python scripts to run on schedule with Windows Task Scheduler. This is all for now. If you have any question or comment, post them below. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.